Yo, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video I'm going to react to Anita Abgaryani from beautiful place of Georgia, and the title of the song, Shine Like a Star. So guys, before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button so you are always updated in my reaction video. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get started. Wow! Beautiful background. Wow, she's very pretty. And the background is very beautiful. And her voice is very pleasant to listen. Very nice voice. Very nice music. So let's play. Beautiful music, beautiful voice, and I like the background, very nice. And the place of Georgia is very nice, very beautiful place. Maganda siya pakinggan, at yung mga nasa instruments, mga tumutugtog ay napakagaling nila, at maganda sila panoorin at pakinggan. I like the music video. So the backgrounds is perfect. Wow, very talented guys. Support natin si Anita Abgaryani. She's very talented, and malayo pa ang mararating niya sa larangan ng pag-awit, dahil very talented siya, at ang ganda ng ipinapahatid ng music. Very meaningful, at ang ganda ng background niya. Grabe. And yung mga tumutugtog ng instruments, mas lalong napapaganda yung awitin ni Anita. So pakinggan pa natin. Ang ganda ng lugar, ang ganda ng boses, meaningful yung lyrics, maganda yung pinapahatid ng kanta, powerful voice, very talented si Anita. Anita Abgaryani, Shine Like a Star. Wow, beautiful music video. And the musical instruments, wow, amazing. So support natin guys si Anita Abgaryani. Beautiful voice. So guys, napakaganda ng background. Ang ganda talaga ng lugar ng Georgia. So guys, that's the video and see you again in my next reaction video. Thank you for watching.